Can you say welcome?
Home.
Home. Can you say home?
Home.
Uncle? John. Ella, say welcome.
Flag.
That's your flag. Can you say John?
Dog.
Can you say welcome?
Welcome.
Home.
Home.
John.
Dog.
Can't wait to see you.
See you.
Can you say miss you? Can you say I miss you? Ella? Ellabelle? Can you say I miss? Whoa, on the flag. Can you say I miss
Miss
you?
you.
Hooray! Say bye. Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.